Hey, this is April, the office manager here at Just Add Water, inviting you to our final event for the 2018 season. This Water and Garden Showcase will take place September 15th from 6 to 9 p.m. I especially enjoy hearing about how our clients use their water feature as a backdrop to more formal events like wedding get-togethers, anniversary parties, graduation parties, baby showers, any special occasion. So for our final event, we've decided to mimic those special occasions and kind of throw a little more formal party. We're going to dress up our water features, and who knows, maybe we'll dress up a bit too. I heard Will wants to wear a gold tie, Chris is renting a tux, I think John's going to show up in a helicopter. But don't worry, we won't get too fancy on you. After all, it is still just us here at Just Add Water. Like our previous events, this family-friendly, self-guided tour will showcase unique water features that were constructed with quality and care by our crew and artists here at Just Add Water. These features will be beautifully lit up, adding magic to an already beautiful time of year. Register for prizes, get this year's location, and then meet us back at Pond Central for a fun-filled evening. Parking will be a little bit different at this location, but don't worry, we've taken care of the details and we'll explain everything when you register. Please share this invitation with your friends and family. Let us know if you plan on attending, and I hope to see you there.
Hey guys, what up? It's Will. That's April. She's the real boss here. I want to send out a huge thank you to April and Shanna from Aspire Event Management and all of our customers who let us invade their homes all season long. This obviously isn't possible without you guys, but it's definitely not possible without April or Shanna. Chris and I really have no idea what's going on. I just shake hands. So thank you very much. Thank you, April. Thank you, Shanna. For any event questions, Aspire did all of this for us, all 3 events, and
They made it look good.
there it is.
Yeah.